Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make poached eggs. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's get started and look at the ingredients first. 4 fresh eggs, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and water. First, in a wide open pan, put 1 to 2 inches water and let it warm on medium flame. Now break eggs in silicone molds and put salt over it. Now put the molds in water and cover it and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now remove it and keep it to cool down. Now remove the eggs from silicone molds and sprinkle black pepper over it. Healthy poached eggs are ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more interesting recipes. Till then, take very good care of yourself and your family. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.